Still using a basic dashboard camera with blurry night footage and constantly worrying about missing critical road events? Looking for a dedicated, high-resolution dash cam that can handle 3K recording, emergency video locking, and parking monitoring all in one compact device? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 70mm Dash Cam M310 Plus 3K, a feature-packed car DVR with a super-wide aperture, voice control, and smart safety sensors. Stick around to find out whether it's worth adding to your driving setup. Product links are available in the description below. One of the standout features of the 70mm M310 Plus is its incredible 3K Ultra HD resolution, 2880x 1620p. The video output is sharp enough to clearly capture important road details such as license plates, road signs, and other key metrics. Powered by the GC5603 C43YA image sensor and H.265 video coding, the footage remains crisp while optimizing storage space. The biggest highlight of this device is its exceptional low-light performance. Featuring a massive f1.55 aperture and 3D DNR, digital noise reduction technology, the M310 Plus can capture bright, clear, and noise-free videos even during night drives or in dark tunnels. Combined with WDR, wide dynamic range, it automatically balances exposure to prevent overexposed highlights or pitch-black shadows. The M310 Plus also supports seamless hands-free voice control in English and Chinese. Whether you need to take a quick photo or lock an ongoing video segment, you can simply use voice commands without taking your hands off the steering wheel, ensuring a safer driving experience. For drivers concerned about vehicle security, the device includes 24-hour parking monitor support. With its built-in G-sensor, the dash cam automatically detects sudden shakes or collisions when your car is parked and immediately starts recording emergency footage. Convenience features like loop cycle recording further improve the user experience. The device automatically overwrites the oldest unlocked videos when your micro SD card fills up, supporting storage capacities from 16 gigabytes all the way up to 256 gigabytes. It is also built to endure extreme weather conditions, operating reliably in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Designed in a modern, screenless, and compact body, the M310 Plus hides perfectly behind your rear-view mirror without blocking your view. It also features a universal Type-C interface and comes with a generous 3.5-meter power cable for clean, hidden wiring inside your car. Pros: 3K Ultra HD resolution, 1620p at 30 fps. Ultra-large f1.55 aperture for superb night vision. Smart voice control for hands-free operation. 139 degrees wide field of view, FOV, to cover multiple lanes. Built-in G-sensor for auto emergency recording. Supports up to 256 gigabytes max external memory. Cons: no built-in GPS logger functionality. Single lens design with no rear camera support. No built-in screen, requires smartphone app to view live footage. Final verdict: if you're looking for a budget-friendly dash cam that combines high-resolution 3K recording, excellent night vision, hands-free voice control, and reliable parking monitoring in a compact package, the 70mm Dash Cam M310 Plus 3K is definitely worth considering. It's especially appealing for daily commuters, road trippers, and safety-conscious drivers who want premium video protection without breaking the bank. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your thoughts on the 70mm M310 Plus in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.